it's time for a 3-card, pick a card, 1, 2, or 3 reading. And we will ask our friend the pendulum to pick. This one will be card number 1. If you picked 1, this will be your card. Oh, yes. Card number 2. If you picked number 2, this will be your card. And it says no. Pendulum says no. Pendulum says yes. If you picked card number 3, this will be your card. Blessings to you from the pendulum. Card number 1. If you pick card number 1, Gaia. Wisdom, knowledge, spiritual understanding. This is your card. If you picked card number 1, you are being guided to right action, to right decisions for whatever is concerning you. Maybe the answer doesn't come right away, but this card tells us, have faith. Look for the signs, have faith for a harmonious solution. If you picked card number 2, the card is, a nice one. The message, positive news, positive outcome. This is your card. If you picked card number 2, whatever might be concerning you, there is a way out. You just have to find it. You just have to open your mind and be receptive to help, to signs that might come from people, might come from animals, might come from a book, might come from nature. Positive news. If you picked card number 3, purification, water. Okay, I'm going to have to cover this up a bit. I don't want to be accused by the YouTube gods. It's a lady having a bath in the water. Trust me. Purification, water. Emotional cleansing, rejuvenation. Sometimes we need to do a little house cleaning. Sometimes actually physical house cleaning in our environment to make the energy more pure and flow more freely through our environment. As is the same with ourselves. Sometimes we get so full of emotion, full of, dare I say, rubbish? Just full of things that we don't need, that are not for our highest good or those around us. Those who live with us, those that we encounter. Sometimes we need a bit of self-purification. A shower can be very purifying. You can say your affirmations while you're in the shower. You can say a mantra. You can visualize the water as a white light coming down, cleansing you, cleansing those chakras, making you more complete, more healed. Maybe not perfect. No worries. Nobody's perfect. More complete, more healed. The word is purification. Purify your mind. Purify your body. Purify your thoughts. Sometimes we just don't know what's coming into our heads until it's there, and it's really not suitable. So purify. Rejuvenation. So those are our cards. If you picked card 1, wisdom, knowledge, spiritual understanding. If you picked card 2, it is the message, positive news, positive outcome. Maybe not instantly like that, but in the end, it works out. If you picked card number 3, purification, water, emotional cleansing, clean the house. And those are the 3 cards that we were guided to today. Sometimes you might have picked card 1, but there's something in card 2 or 3 that resonates with you. Take it on board, even if that's not the card you pick. If it resonates with you, take it on board. That's it for now. Many blessings to you. Bye for now.